Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
Let me guess. You've published books on Amazon before. You did everything they told you to do. You picked a topic, you wrote the book, you hit publish, and then you waited, and nothing happened. No sales, no reviews, no royalties. Just another dead book, buried at a rank so low it might as well not exist. If that's you, stop scrolling and watch this. Because I'm about to tell you exactly why every book you published failed, and it has nothing to do with your writing. But first, let me tell you who this is not for. If you want a magic button that prints money while you sleep and asks nothing of you, close this video now. I mean it. Click away. Because I'm not going to lie to you the way everyone else in this space already has. What I'm about to show you is real, it works, and it asks about 20 minutes of actual effort. Still here? Good. Then this was built for you. Here's the truth nobody selling KDP courses will say out loud. You didn't fail because you're a bad writer. You failed because you wrote books nobody was searching for. Every dead book in your account has the exact same cause of death. It was a guess. You picked a topic because you liked it, or because a guru swore it was hot. Then you wrote into it blind, with no idea if a single human on Amazon actually wanted it. That was never a writing problem. It was a targeting problem, and better writing was never going to fix it. Now the gurus have an answer for you. Publish more, they say. Publish every single day. The tool sellers say push a button and watch their AI spit out 100 books in 10 minutes. Both are selling you the same lie, in different clothes. They're selling you speed, but speed was never the missing piece. Think about it. If publishing faster was the secret, you'd already be rich. You bought the tools, you published the books, and you're still here, watching this. Volume didn't make you money, it just built your graveyard faster. So what actually decides whether a book sells? It's brutally simple. Publishing books people are already searching for. That's the whole game. Every book on Amazon is just an answer to a question someone typed into that search bar. Answer a question nobody's asking, and your book dies at zero. Answer one that thousands of people ask every day, and it sells while you sleep. There are only two kinds of publishers on Amazon: guessers and miners. Guessers pick a topic and hope. Miners check the ground first. Guessers build graveyards. Miners build royalties. Here's the part that stops most people. Becoming a miner by hand is miserable. Digging through categories, cross-checking ranks, decoding keyword tools that never explain their own numbers. And after all that, you still have to write the book, design the cover, and wait weeks to find out if you were right. So most people skip the research. Or they try it once, burn out, and go back to guessing. Right back to the graveyard. Not because they're lazy, because nobody ever gave them a tool that did the hard part for them. Until now. This is Royalty Miner AI. It reads the Amazon market first. You type in a keyword, and in seconds, it hands you a scored opportunity built from real Amazon data. How much demand exists, how much competition you face, and exactly where the gap is that nobody has filled. Then, and only then, it writes the whole book for you, in your own voice, around the exact gap it found. It designs the cover, it narrates the audiobook, and after you publish, it tracks your rankings, so you know it's working instead of just hoping. Find it, write it, watch it work. No other tool closes that entire loop. And here's what makes it different from every tool that let you down before. It refuses to lie to you. Its calculator shows you exactly how many copies it takes to hit your goal, then tells you plainly that it cannot promise anyone will buy. Its advisor stays silent when there's nothing worth saying. A tool honest enough to tell you what it can't do. When did anyone in this space last do that? That's not weakness. That's the reason you can finally believe it. So picture this. 30 days from now, you've mined a few real opportunities and published your first books. Not bestsellers. You don't need bestsellers. Just small books people were already searching for. Each one earning a little every month, whether you touch it again or not. One book is a small win. 10 books is 10 small wins, landing in the same account. 30, and the shape of things starts to change. Not because one book blew up, because none of them had to. That's not a lottery ticket. That's a portfolio. Get Royalty Miner AI today, and you get the whole system. The opportunity finder, the book writer, the cover designer, the audiobook studio, the tracking dashboard, and full rights to keep every royalty you ever earn. Plus 5 bonuses that carry you from finished book to live on Amazon to your first sales. At real-world rates, that's over $2,800 in value. Your price today is not $2,000, not $500, Not even 100. Today, everything is $17. One payment, no subscription, no renewal traps. And honestly, part of me hates pricing it this low because cheap things get ignored. So I'll be blunt. If $17 feels like a hard decision either way, you just learned something real about where you are right now. For everyone else, this is the easiest yes you'll make all year, and you risk nothing. Get it today. Mine an opportunity. Generate your first book, cover, and audiobook. Publish it. If it isn't everything I said, send one email within 30 days and get every penny back. No forms, no reasons, no hoops. Keep the bonuses either way. The only way you lose here is by doing nothing. One thing that matters: the $17 price is early bird only. The moment this window closes, it goes to 97, where it was always meant to sit. There's no fake countdown resetting behind the scenes. When it's gone, it's gone. And every day you wait is a day your first book isn't live, isn't earning, and isn't building the track record that makes your next one perform even better. So it comes down to a decision. You've got two roads in front of you. Road 1, you close this video. You keep using tools that write fast and check nothing. You keep publishing into silence. And 6 months from now, you're exactly where you are today. Nothing changes, and if that's honestly fine with you, close the page. No hard feelings. But if some part of you is tired of guessing, tired of watching good work die at zero, then take road 2. Click the button, get Royalty Miner AI for $17, and mine your first opportunity today. The miners aren't smarter than you, they just stopped guessing. Click the button below now, and let's get your first book live on Amazon. I'll see you on the inside.